principle, that is the reduced derivatives minimize step. So this is the next one important thing in the green chemistry. Commonly this technique which is used in the organic synthesis, use of the protecting or blocking of the groups, unnecessary derivatizations. In that there are some examples which are given there, that is the installation or removal of the protected groups, which should be the avoided possible. Because of that we are reduced their additional step. Now what is the meaning of the reduced derivatives? आपण जर याच्यामध्ये प्रोडक्ट जो फॉर्म होत असतो, नंबर ऑफ स्टेप जेवढ्या वाढतील तेवढे काय असतात बाय प्रोडक्ट किंवा पोल्युशन हा वाढत असते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आता ह्या सर्व स्टेप आहेत. हाऊ मेनी स्टेप्स आर देअर? 1, 2 and 3. सो आपण ह्या 3 स्टेप ज्या यूज केलेत याच्यातले जर स्टेप 2 किंवा 1 यातली जर रिड्यूस केली तर काय असणार आहे, याच्यातलं पोल्युशन रेट काय असणार इथे हा कमी होणार आहे. सो दॅट मीन्स वी कॅन मिनिमाइज हिअर steps which are involved in the product formation here. That means we are prepared here a product in the minimum state. So there is one example which is given there. In organic synthesis we need a very offered protection of the some functional group. Finally we are against need deprotection and explain the following synthesis of the meta hydroxybenzoic acid and from the meta hydroxybenzaldehyde. Obviously in such a cases atom economy is the less. Okay, so in this case atom economy which is less, and green chemistry principle which develop the methodology where is the unnecessary steps which should be the avoided. Okay, so in this step atom economy which is a minimum, but in this step this is the reduced derivatives or which is having minimization of the step which is happen here. That means आपण हे जो प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म झालाय मेटा हायड्रॉक्झीबेन्झोइक ऍसिड ह्या मिनिमम स्टेपनी तो फॉर्म झालाय. आपण जर याच्यामध्ये स्टेप्स वाढवल्या असत्या तर काय असणार आहे, याच्यामध्ये ॲटम इकॉनॉमी वाढवू शकली असती, बट याच्यामध्ये काय झालं असतं की पोल्युशन रेटवरती हा थोडासा परिणाम झाला असता. सो आपण काय करतोय मिनिमम स्टेपमध्ये रिॲक्शन ह्या काय करतो इथे कम्प्लीट करतो. सो दॅट इज अबाउट द reduced derivatives to the minimize steps which is given there. Next one, that is the use of the catalyst. In the most of the chemical reaction we are using their catalyst for increasing rate of the reaction or which increase speed of the rate of the reaction. Catalyst which help to the increase selectivity, minimize waste, reduce reaction time and energy demands. एखादी रिॲक्शन जी आहे, मी आता याच्या आधी आपण क्लासमध्ये बोललोय, फॉर एक्झाम्पल हायड्रोजनेशन रिॲक्शन जे असतात, हायड्रोजन रिॲक्शन जर विदाउट कॅटलिस्ट 10 hours लागत असतील, इफ यू आर युजिंग देअर कॅटलिस्ट then this 10-hour time may be the reduced up to the 2 or 3 hours. Means 10 तासाची रिॲक्शन 2 आणि 3 तासात जर झाली तर ह्या 2 आणि 3 तासात काय होत असतं, इथे एनर्जी डिमांड कमी होत असते, टाइम रिक्वायर्ड आहे तो कमी होत असतो, जो वेस्ट आहे ते कमी होणार आहे and which increase selectivity. So that is the use of the catalyst. That means in the reaction there is use of the catalyst. That is also principle of the green chemistry. याच्यात काय इथे ग्रीन केमिस्ट्रीचा आपण इथे यूज केलेला आहे. catalyst use, that is also beneficial for the use of the catalyst. So there are some reactions which are given there and name of the catalyst which are the used there, which are the written there. So all of you complete this name of the catalyst which are the required there. Okay, number of the catalysts which are the given in the reaction you can check and write down their name of the catalyst which is used there. Design for the degradation, that means reaction एखादी जी असते अशी डिझाईन करायची की त्याचं डिग्रेडेशन पॉसिबल आहे. एखादा प्रोडक्ट जो फॉर्म होत असतो, फॉर एक्झाम्पल एखादा आपण जो प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म झालाय त्याचं डिग्रेडेशन पॉसिबल आहे का नाही ते आधी चेक केलं पाहिजे. नाहीतर आपण प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म करायचो आणि त्याचं डिग्रेडेशन होणारच नाही. असे प्रोडक्ट काय असतात तिथे पोल्युशन हे करत असतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल प्लास्टिक, आय थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू नो व्हेरी वेल प्लास्टिक विच इज नॉट डिग्रेडेबल, डिग्रेडेशन होत नाही त्याचं. दॅट मीन्स आपण प्लास्टिक फॉर्म करतोय पण त्याचं डिग्रेडेशन झालं नाही तर त्याच्यामुळे काय होत असते त्या विच अफेक्ट ऑन द अवर एन्व्हायरमेंट, आपल्या एन्व्हायरमेंट वरती काय होतं याचा हा अफेक्ट होत असतो. So that means these are the important things we must be consider during designing of the reaction. That means we are designing reaction for the degradation. अशा रिॲक्शन डिझाईन करायचे की ज्याचं डिग्रॅडेशन झालं पाहिजे. ओके. So there are some important things which are given there. This is the chart which is given there, and in this chart which is there are some important examples which are given there. There are some recycling form which are given there. How there is a recycling household plastic. So in household plastic there are a number of the important things which are given there. That is the first one, uh, PETE or PET, that is a polyethylene tetrathalate. So this is a long form of the PETE. So this PET which is used in the micro uh, uh, oven food tray, which is as a salad dresses, soft drinks, water, or beer bottles. So these are the used in this material. So this is the hard to the clean, absorb bacteria and flavors and avoid reuse. आपण याचा reuse करू शकत नाही, reuse करू शकत नाही आपण या बॉटलचा. Okay. So in this case we are doing their recycling. How to we are doing recycling? Carpet, furniture, new containers, polar flakes. सो आपण याच्यापासून हे सर्व तिथे काय करू शकतो, तिथे करू शकतो. मीन्स त्याच्यापासून फर्निचर वगैरे असतील किंवा कंटेनर किंवा ज्या आपल्या घरातल्या ज्या आपण काय म्हणतो शोभेच्या वस्तू वगैरे ज्या आहेत ह्या बनवण्यासाठी काय करू शकतो आपण याचा हा यूज करू शकतो. ओके. सो दिस इज अबाउट द रिसायकलिंग. मीन्स आपण इथं प्रिपेअर केलंय, याचं डिग्रेडेशन होत नाही, पण आपण काय करतो हे रिसायकल करतो. हाऊ टू रिसायकल इथे दिलेलं आहे. ओके. सेकंड, दॅट इज second important thing which is given there, that is second, HDPE, that is a high density polyethylene. So this is the high density polyethylene which is used in the household cleaning and shampoo bottles. ज्या शॅम्पूच्या बॉटल असतील किंवा हाऊसहोल्ड क्लिनिंग मध्ये याचा यूज केलेला असतो. And status which is also given there, transmits no known chemicals into the foods, and it is a recyclable. That is we are using their detergent bottle or fencing floors, tiles or pens. मीन्स आपण जे हे SDPE, दॅट मीन्स हे पॉलिथिन जे आहे या पॉलिथिनचा आपण काय करतो हाऊस होल्ड क्लिनिंग किंवा शॅम्पू बॉटल याच्यासाठी यूज करतो, पण त्याचा रियूज करू शकतो. कसे यूज करू शकतो? डिटर्जंट बॉटल असतील किंवा फेन्सिंग असेल किंवा फ्लोअर टाईल्स असतील याच्या किंवा पेन्समध्ये पण त्याचा यूज हा केला जातो. त्याचं काय करू शकतो आपण, याचं मॉडिफिकेशन करून हे रियूज आपण इथं करू शकतो. नेक्स्ट वन विच इज गिवन देअर, that is PVC. I think very well known PVC. PVC which is used in the cooking oil bottles, then clear food packaging or mouthwash bottle, and this PVC which is also used in the piping. ज्या पाईप ज्या असतात त्याच्यामध्ये PVC चा यूज केलेला असतो. So status which is also given there, that is it is a believed to the contains pellets, that is the interface with the hormonal developments, and which is avoidable, which is also recycled. How to we recycle this PVC which is given there? This is used in the cables, mud flaps, plumbings, and also roadway. So this is about the recycle which is given there. Next one important thing, that is the fourth one, LDPE. This is the low density polythene which is used in the feed, shampoo, bags, carpet, clothing or furniture याच्यामध्ये याचा यूज केलेला असतो. And which transmit no known chemical into the food. So which is a recyclable, which is we can use here envelope, floor tiles, lumber or trash can, also cleaners. So that is about the recycle which is given there. We can recyclize this ELDP. Next one which is given there, that is the PP, that is a polypropylene. So this polypropylene, which is used in the ketchup bottles, medicines, syrup bottles, drinking straws. So that is about the uses, and which transmit no known chemical into the food, which is the recyclable, which is the used in the battery cables, rooms, ice scrapers, and rakes. So this is about the use of this PP. Next one, PS, that is a polystyrene, polyester, which is a polystyrene, which is given there, which is a, there is no information which is given there. There is a directly use which is given there. That is the use in the disposable cups, plates, eggs, curtains, take off containers. So that is about the use of this PS, means जे डिस्पोजेबल कप असतात आपण किंवा प्लेट्स असतात, लग्न समारंभ जे असतात त्याच्यामध्ये हे असं यूज केलेलं असतात बघा, डिस्पोजेबल. आणि आपण काय करतो त्याच्यामध्ये हे PS पॉलिस्टिरीन काय करत असते ते यूज करत असतो. Now status which is given there, it is below to the leach styrene which is a possible to the human carcinogenic into the food and avoid. त्याच्यामुळे कॅन्सर होण्याची शक्यता असते. Recyclable which is also make, which is given there, that is a foam packaging, insulations, light switch plates, rulers. So this is about the uses, or this is a recycle which is given there. Next one, that is number 7, that is a other miscellaneous which is given there, that is a 6 5 gallon water jumps, nylon, some foods containers. These are the used there, and which contain bisphenol A, which is linked with the heart disease and obstay. So we must be avoid this chemical or this plastic. Status which is contain so the status also already was in there. Recyclable, we can custom made products we can made there with in the recycle मध्ये काय करू शकतो, कस्टम मेड जे आहेत प्रोडक्ट्स आपण याच्यामध्ये काय करू शकतो ते हे मेड करू शकतो. Real time analysis pollution prevention which is given there. This is the analytical method which is need to the further developments allowing for the different reaction. So real time analysis pollution prevention, that means we are allowing develops to the allow real time in process of the monetizing and contain control priority of the formation of the hazardous substances. Means आपण इथे जे आहेत hazardous product formation इथे काय करायचं आपल्याला इथे controlling करायचं. We must be control all these things. There are some examples which are given there. That is analytical methodology. We should be the develop modified so that contains monetizing of the real manufacturing and processing units as possible. It is very much important for the chemical industries and nuclear reactors. मीन्स आपण काय करतो इथे केमिकल इंडस्ट्री असेल किंवा न्यूक्लिअर रिॲक्टर आहेत याच्यामध्ये काय करतो अॅनालिटिकल काय करतो मेथड जे आहेत हे डेव्हलप करत असतो, which continuous monitor processes, which continuous observe processes and manufacturing and processing unit of the pollution which is given there. Next one important thing, that is a safer chemistry for the accident prevention. So these are safer chemistry for the accident prevention. We need to develop chemical process that safer and minimize risk of the accident. Means आपण इथं काय करतोय, केमिस्ट्रीच अशी काय करायची डेव्हलप करायची ज्याच्यामुळे काही जरी झालं, ऍक्सिडेंट जरी झाला तर त्याच्यातून काय झालं नाही पाहिजे, तर कुठलाही साईड इफेक्ट झाला नाही पाहिजे. अशा सेफ केमिस्ट्री आपल्याला काय करायची इथं डेव्हलप करायची. बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट देर इज नो accident which is a takes place there. Okay, there is one example which is given there, that is a substance which used in the chemical reaction which should be the select in such a way that can be minimized occurrence of the chemical accident, explosions, fires, and emissions. So that is about the use of the safe chemicals. For example, if in chemical process works gaseous substance that is possible to the accident influence explosions relatively high compared to the system working which is the non-volatile liquids, अँड सॉलिड सबस्टन्सेस. मीन्स याच्यामध्ये आपण काय करायचं आहे की जे केमिकल्स आपण यूज करतो, सबस्टन्सेस जे यूज करतो केमिकल रिॲक्शनमध्ये, आपण काय करायचे अशी यूज करायची की त्याचे कुठलाही ऍक्सिडेंट जरी झाला तर त्याचे कुठलेही इफेक्ट्स हे झाले नाही पाहिजेत, असे काय करायचे तिथे केमिकल्स आपल्याला हे सिलेक्ट करायचे. सो ऑल these are the important points, all these are the important principles of the green chemistry which are the given there.